Imagine standing on the edge of a silent, obsidian ocean, staring up at a sky so dense with light that it feels like the universe is breathing. You think you know the rules of this cosmic game. You think the stars are just distant lanterns and the laws of physics are the iron bars. But what if I told you that out there, in the deepest, coldest reaches of the void, we have found something that simply shouldn't be there? Something that makes our current understanding of the cosmos look like a child's drawing of a quantum equation. Welcome to Cosmic Horizon Hub. Today, we aren't just looking at stars, we are staring into the abyss of the impossible. We are talking about objects that defy existence. When we look into the deep field of space, we expect order. We expect the gravitational dance of galaxies and the steady hum of stellar evolution. We expect the clockwork of the universe to tick with predictable precision, but occasionally, the clock skips a beat. Scientists have recently turned their telescopes toward regions of the sky that should be empty, only to find the equivalent of a ghost. Think of it as finding a pristine, modern skyscraper sitting in the middle of a prehistoric jungle. It doesn't fit. It shouldn't be there. The first thing that rattles our cage is the existence of structures that are too big, too complex, and far too old. According to the Standard Model, galaxies take billions of years to mature. We have a timeline from the primordial soup of the Big Bang. But then, we find a galaxy that looks like a seasoned elder, massive and fully formed, at a point when it should be an infant. It is like finding a toddler who has already memorized the entire encyclopedia. How did it do it? Is our clock wrong? This is the core of the cosmic mystery. We are painting a portrait of reality with limited observations on an infinitely larger canvas. Now let's consider the dark void. Dark matter and dark energy are labels we slap on our ignorance, the unseen hands pushing galaxies. But what if these forces aren't just invisible fluids? What if they are the scaffolding of something much more deliberate? There are regions of the cosmic microwave background containing patterns which hint at something unnatural. A collision with another universe. Imagine two bubbles in a cosmic foam bumping into each other. The splash would be felt across light years, leaving a scar. Could we be living in the wreckage of a collision? It's a chilling thought. We are just a stray particle in a wider, terrifying landscape. As we zoom in closer, we encounter the paradox of the Great Attractor. A gravitational anomaly pulling our galaxy at speeds that defy logic. We can't see it. It is hidden behind the veil of our own Milky Way, obscured by a dense thicket of dust and stars. It is the cosmic equivalent of a black hole's event horizon. It hides its secrets behind a wall of light and matter. What is it? A supercluster of unimaginable mass? Or something else, pulling on the very geometry of spacetime? We are like ants on a treadmill, running toward a finish line we cannot see, led by a force we cannot name. This leads us to the most unsettling question of all. Are we alone? We have spent decades listening to the radio silence, and while we have found nothing definitive, we have found anomalies that make us pause. Thank you for exploring with us. There are star systems with light signatures that flicker in ways that no natural planetary transit can explain. Some have suggested Dyson spheres, massive artificial constructs built by advanced civilizations to harness the energy of their sun. While many of these turn out to be eccentric stars or cosmic dust, the fact that we even have to consider them shows how far our imagination has been stretched by the weirdness of the universe. If there is someone else out there, are they watching us? Are they the ones leaving these impossible structures behind like breadcrumbs, trying to see if we have the intelligence to follow the trail? Or are they as confused as we are, staring at the same anomalies and wondering if we are the ones leaving the clues? The universe is a vast, beautiful, and deeply indifferent place, yet it feels purposeful. Every star that dies creates the heavy elements that eventually become the iron in your blood and the calcium in your bones. You are the universe contemplating itself. You are the star stuff that gained consciousness and decided to look back at the abyss. But if we are the observers, what is the universe observing? Is it possible that the laws of physics are not constant, but evolving? Just as life adapts to survive, perhaps the universe itself shifts its parameters as it grows, leaving behind relics of the old physics. Objects that shouldn't be there because the rules have changed, but the objects haven't updated yet. This thought alone changes everything. It suggests that our science is not a discovery of ultimate truths, but a snapshot of a moving target. We are catching glimpses of the gears of creation as they grind forward. The fear of the unknown is natural, but in the context of the cosmos, it should be replaced by a profound sense of wonder. We are living in a time where the boundaries of the known are expanding at an exponential rate. Every telescope we launch, every sensor we deploy, brings back data that breaks our hearts and fixes our minds. We are forced to unlearn what we thought was impossible. That is the beauty of science. It doesn't claim to have all the answers, it only promises that the search is worth the struggle. Think about the scale of this. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years just to cross our own galaxy. And there are billions of galaxies. We are looking at a stage so large that human history is merely a single frame in an epic, unending film. And yet, here we are, standing on a small blue rock, peering through the shadows to find these impossibilities. We are explorers of the infinite. We are the witnesses of the impossible. So, what do we make of these anomalies? Do we dismiss them as noise, or do we embrace them as the keys to a new era of physics? I believe they are invitations. Invitations to push past the comfort of our current textbooks and dive into the deep, dark, and beautiful unknown. The universe is telling us that we are just getting started. It is whispering that the impossible is simply a threshold we haven't crossed yet. As we continue to gaze into the horizon, remember that your curiosity is the most powerful tool you possess. Don't let the silence of space scare you, let it inspire you. Don't let the complexity of the math stop you, let it humble you. We are part of something so much grander than ourselves, a cosmic mystery that unfolds one discovery at a time. The next time you look at the stars, look a little deeper. Look for the flicker that doesn't fit, the galaxy that shouldn't be there, the shadow that shouldn't exist. That is where the truth hides. That is where the future of humanity lies. We have so much more to uncover, so many more horizons to cross. This is not just a quest for data. It is a quest for our own identity. By understanding these anomalies, we are essentially learning what it means to exist in a reality that allows for such strange, beautiful deviations. Could these objects be glitches in the simulation? Could they be remnants of a previous universe that collapsed and left behind architectural ghosts? We play with these ideas because the conventional answers are no longer satisfying. We are witnessing the birth of a new cosmology, one that doesn't fear the anomaly but celebrates it. Imagine a future where we no longer look up with wonder and confusion, but with recognition. A future where we understand the language of the void. We are not just dust in the wind. We are the detectives of the dark, the cartographers of the impossible. Each new discovery is a stepping stone. Every challenge to our understanding is a bridge to somewhere new. The cosmic tapestry is woven with threads of light and darkness, and we are just beginning to pull at the loose ends. What if the universe isn't expanding, but vibrating? What if the speed of light isn't the absolute limit, but a local restriction? The anomalies we see, the impossible galaxies, the flickering stars, the unexplained gravitational pulls, are the cracks in the dam. And behind that dam is an ocean of knowledge that will redefine what it means to be human. We must remain vigilant. We must remain curious. We must keep our eyes on the horizon. The journey of exploration is not a straight line, but a spiral, constantly returning to the same questions with new insight, deeper understanding, and a greater resolve to uncover the secrets hidden in the cold corners. We stand on the shoulders of giants who taught us to look up, and now it is our turn to look deeper. The narrative of the universe is being written in real time, and we are the scribes recording the impossible. Whether it is an alien intelligence, a fundamental flaw in our physical laws, or something beyond comprehension, the truth is out there. This is not the end of the mystery. It is only the beginning of a grand adventure that spans across eons and across dimensions. We are the architects of the future, the pioneers of the unknown, and together we will decipher the enigma of the impossible. Let us continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, to question the unquestionable, and to marvel at the magnificent strangeness. We are the explorers of the cosmic horizon, and the horizon is always moving, inviting us to go further, reach higher, and dream bigger. Every observation is a victory, every question a triumph. The universe has secrets, and we have the audacity to listen. As we navigate through the sea of stars, we must remember that the beauty of the cosmos is not just in what we know, but in what we are yet to discover. The pursuit of the impossible is the ultimate human endeavor. It is the fire that drives us, the passion that fuels our search, and the light that guides us through the darkness. We will never stop looking. We will never stop wondering. We will never stop dreaming. Because in the heart of the impossibility lies the answer to the greatest question of all. Who are we? The answers are woven into the very fabric of space and time, and we are on the verge of unraveling them. Join us as we continue to traverse the cosmic landscape, seeking the truth, finding the impossible, and illuminating the shadows of the universe. The adventure is just beginning, and you are a vital part of it. If you felt that spark of wonder today, you are in the right place. We are going to keep digging until we find the answers to these impossible questions. But I can't do it alone. The journey is too vast. We need a community of explorers, thinkers, and dreamers who are ready to challenge the status quo. If you believe the secrets of the cosmos are worth fighting for, then join our mission. Hit subscribe and become a part of the family. We upload new investigations every week. Smash that like button if you want to see us dive even deeper into the mysteries of the dark. Let me know in the comments. What is the most impossible thing you think we might find? Is it a civilization or something fundamental? Your perspective fuels the next video. Keep looking up, keep questioning everything, and never lose that drive to find the truth. Until next time, stay curious, stay cosmic, and I will see you in the next exploration.